Una good evening, so una good evening, man. It's your boy DSE, the Soul Energizer TV. No be small thing shele for UROMI when be Sunday 6th of April 2025. Oh, the matter even tire Matthias. Agbada hook for barbed wire. Oloda Munama. I even hear say the rainstorm carry some people houses crossroad that day. E change people location. If you dey find brother or sister, the house where they dey before not being the day again now because the rainstorm don change their location. E even carry some girls wey boys dey crush on for long go drop for their bed o. Some people even sleep dey begin see themselves for another relationship. The one wey shock people pass na be the DJ tree when the rainstorm pull comot for ground. Mr. Opman wey talk to DSE TV come talk say dem bin wan cut the tree before dem come dey fear make the tree no go fall for people head before this very one now come happen, but dem come thank God say the tree e no fall for person head. As the tree come block road na im come go call operator make operator begin dey cut the tree so that people go see where dem go pass. Many electric posts fall yakata, solar lights follow e brothers fall for ground break legs o. E pull people roof go put for those wey never roof their houses o. Walls fall for ground like the walls of Jericho. The rainstorm no just pity anybody, e even destroy house of one boy papa wey don go heaven newa. The boy spend 25 years for prison for Bodo Yibo, come back see say papa don go. The family members bin no even know am again o. Na once e sack come talk say na brother be this, dem come begin dey happy dey cry. Wey papa the boy come ask na im dey tell am say papa don go heaven newa. Na so the boy begin dey cry real tears. Those wey newly open stores wey never even see profit, rainstorm destroy the stores come damage goods wey dem buy on credit o. I even hear say the rainstorm kpai some people that day. Uromians come begin dey ask questions where the old Jimmy Ray come see red sand and charcoal wey e bring come from heaven, while some come dey talk say abi na water tanker wey hold the rain na im cause this thing. Many people come begin dey ask different questions, while some come dey talk say whether they offend God. E be like say any ebebugbe wanurumi nimaye or is there no nimina nada sunu enamada dread the curtain for today o. It's your boy DSE, the Soul Energizer TV. Join us same time, same station. I will bring more updates. Take care.